Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove the PayPal payment method in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website you want to remove the PayPal payment method on, click on Manage Store to directly visit the store management area. Now click on settings and click and select payments. As you see here, I have PayPal enabled as a payment method or payment gateway. To disconnect it or to remove this PayPal option, click on manage, and here you see disconnect PayPal. Click on it. Disconnecting your PayPal account will prevent you from offering PayPal services and products on your website. Do you wish to continue? Yes, click on disconnect. And just like that, no more enabled next to PayPal payment method. And this is how to, or let's give my online shop a visit. Go to book, click on book now, select. This is an appointment product, and as you see, no more PayPal button below the payment method. And this is how to remove the PayPal payment method in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.